Kin ngai bro yudi idhi kauni okang mar chik. George Juma, Ramogi TV, Migori.
Inspector General Obila Japheth Koome owachoni joka Azimio keyo miriambo ewi obila mapachoka ka wachoni gisebedo ka ginyiso joma nowito ngimagi e yore mamoko ka giwachoni obila nonego e kinde ng'anyo. Koloso gi jofwambo Kiganjo Nyeri, Koome odok ne obila ka wachoni ne ok giketho chik moro amora e kinde mane gikedo kod jong'anyo.
Haven't you seen the social media? Haven't you seen bodies, about many bodies put together? Then pictures are taken, thrown all over in the social media. And the information I have is they go to some of the mortuaries, compromise the workers there, people even who died of some illness, people who died maybe out of an accident or other causes. They take photographs of such bodies and blame on police. But we are not in the business of all the time responding to politicians. Ours is to discharge our mandate. That is maintaining law and order, protecting life and property. Wanasiasa serikali yao ni kuzungumza na kupiga mdomo. Wapiga mdomo. Sisi hatuhusiki na tutawajibu, lakini kazi yetu tutafanya. For the force we use is governed by the law and the service standing orders. So there's nothing we have done out of the ordinary, out of what is provided in law. But I will tell you, there is always an accuser, somebody accusing. Then, of course, you are given opportunity to defend yourself.